All right, welcome back. We've got a Tesla stock update for you. I'm sitting down this video because it's hot outside and I was shoveling rock, so give me a break. Anyways, a lot of news to get to with Tesla. Not a lot has happened in the past, but we got a lot coming up here in the near future. One thing that did happen recently was Elon got paid. So the shareholder vote, Elon got his pay package. I voted yes on this pay package with all my shares, all my family shares. Voted yes. I wanted him to get paid. I wanted him to keep having a large controlling position of the company, and I want him to have skin in the game. I want him to pump this stock. I want him to have a large incentive, 52 billion more reasons why he wants the stock to go up. Not that he needs any more reasons or motivation, but I do think it was the right thing to do, to pay the man. That was the agreed upon agreement back in the day. He executed the plan, pay the man. So I think that's good because there was some uncertainty. If he didn't get paid, how invested would he be in the future of Tesla? So, anyways, he got paid. I'm sure you heard that already, and I like that. As far as the coming catalyst, we've got AI Day is coming August 8th. That is great. So hopefully they can announce some progress on Dojo supercomputer, Optimus robot, full self-driving, things like that. Anything that has to do with Tesla and AI. We're going to look at the chart in just a moment on Tesla, but Tesla's been performing really well since their last earnings, and especially the last couple of weeks, doing really good. And I think what we're starting to see is the market is looking around and saying AI, AI, AI. Oh yeah, that's right. Tesla is one of the most tangible uses of AI that we have right now. Their cars literally drive themselves. What is more artificial intelligence than that? I had full self-driving for a month, and it's really good, really, really good. The only times I had to intervene, I would say if I'm doing a 30-minute trip, you intervene once or twice, and it's not out of safety. It's out of this thing's going too slow. Go. Um, I want to get over sooner, and I don't want to worry about the AI having to merge in an awkward scenario. Things like that. It's just me being proactive, and I don't want to put the computer in a spot, even though it can handle it. I just would rather not have the anxiety or stress of, oh, it's got to merge at this tricky intersection, things like that. So I'm totally comfortable with that AI driving myself, and I really do enjoy it on long trips. The longest trip I did was maybe 2 or 3 hours. But it's great. You feel refreshed when you arrive at your destination just because you're not having to hyper focus on the road. You're just kind of making sure the computer's doing its job. So I'll have a separate video on my experience with Tesla as a car owner and a full self-driving tester. But anyways, the AI is legit. When I had that for a month, I'm like, man, I'm a huge Tesla bull, and I still feel underexposed to this company because it's so good. It is so good. So, anyways, I think the market is starting to price in Tesla's AI potential the same way that the market said, oh, yeah, Apple, oh, they can pivot and they can totally make a ton of money off of AI. So, we saw Apple really break out from 160 to 200 plus, boom, by a ChatGPT integration on the iPhone. Oh, now they're going to sell a bunch of iPhones. We're going to have Siri work, things like that. So I think the market's searching for what other AI plays are out there besides NVIDIA. The next one's going to be Amazon. The market's going to figure out, oh yeah, Amazon is a huge AI player. Right now, Tesla's getting its bid, and the AI day coming up could be buy the rumor, sell the news. We'll have to wait and see. Anyways, that's a catalyst coming up. We'll have to wait and see what they say in that meeting. Looking forward to that. So we also have China insurance numbers were much stronger than expected. So the amount of Teslas that were insured in China over the last few months have been much stronger than expected. That is good news. We are getting the Q2 delivery numbers coming out tomorrow, and it's looking like they're going to be stronger than expected based on what we see in China and based on what I see. I'm here in California, so it's Teslas everywhere, but It does seem like the numbers may be a little better than expected. I've seen estimates ranging from 427 to 430 something. Um, if the numbers came in at 420,000 cars delivered, that's going to be a 10% annual decline, which again is it's not good that they're selling less cars year over year, but it's not as bad as people expected. The numbers are stronger than the complete death that has been priced into the stock, over the last few months. So we'll have to wait and see how those numbers are. I think that's why we saw the big stock pop today, is because the numbers are looking a little stronger than expected. We'll see how the market reacts when the numbers come out. So we've got the next earning date coming up, August or July 17th. So we'll see the proof in the pudding. What's the margin? What's the outlook? Things like that. Those are the big things that the market is really looking for, based on how much are you selling, how much did you cut prices, how much profit do you have, how much expansion are you going to do when it comes to new factories, so how much debt are you going to be adding on, things like that. So let's take a look at the chart real quick. So Tesla, we've talked about it. It's in this downtrend in here within a downtrend. So we're in like an inception technical analysis here. So we're in a smaller downtrend within a larger downtrend. I don't think we break this smaller downtrend and revisit the larger downtrend without some serious carnage going on in the world. So again, nice move. Tesla's up about 50% since their last earnings. It's up around 20% in the last week or so. So probably a little stretched. It wouldn't surprise me if we get a little pullback based on the numbers that come out tomorrow, unless they're just gangbusters. But things are looking good. I'm really excited here. I own a lot of Tesla. I'm looking to sell some calls against my stock, especially on a 4 or 5 day run like this. It's good to just sell some calls, collect a little premium, wait for the pullback, and see what earnings brings. So that's all I got for you in this Tesla update. Have a good rest of your day. Thanks.